Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the S-Man, and today we're gonna close up our raft. Don't mind me, I'm on the move. I'm gonna close up the raft. We're gonna take a ride because we're gonna finish those crop plots, and we need some pigs. So we're getting ready to take off here. I don't need my hatch closed. Let's see. First ride on the raft. We need something for poop so we can fertilize our crops. I don't know how far we can get down this river here. But I need a pig. And we're definitely not seeing any up at this end. I hope we can get through here. This raft is so big it's kind of hard to see what's ahead. I see turtles. Uh-oh. We running into a dead end? Yes, we are. There's no pigs around here either. I don't see one. I don't want to get stuck. Alright, let's go the other way. This end doesn't seem too fruitful for pigs. So we're gonna take a ride this way. We are on our way to get a pig. Because we need at least one. 2 would be ideal. It should be right around the corner here. Oh, we got plenty of birds here. They're eating fish. We might end up with Tame over here on this side. Yeah, look at this. He wants to be tamed. Look at him. Following us. Boy, he has issues. You may be asking for trouble, buddy. Okay. If you want it that bad. I was out for you in the beginning of the episode. That works for me. You know what? Yeah, oh, and you're even inside now. Boy, you're just making things easy. Yeah? Come here. You better not kill me. Where's my bola? Oh, I can't see. Where are you at? Now, can I... This close is probably not going to be good. Well, he came right to us. You gonna die? Yeah, I thought so. Well, that serves you right. I can't see. Hold on. Let me set the gamma here a little brighter. Well, that didn't work. I was on gamma 3. I'm gonna have to go to gamma 4, I guess. Yep. He just got destroyed. I don't know how he zoned right through the mesh. Oh well. What'd you do? Come here. Must have hit a rock. I have to get this bird's meat anyway. Can I get... I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to club these things. So if we're going to tame a bird, we're going to need to craft the club, because the arrows are just way too much. So we'll keep that in our inventory too. Alright, you got to follow me in here. Is there any... Oh, we got another one here. Let's try it again. Let's see how the club works. Where'd you go? Wait. I had a green spot, but what did you do? Land? You guys don't land too often. Where are you at? I hear ya. There you are. Oh. Hey! Since when you not leave him alone? And he killed you anyway. Oh man, we're just batting 1,000. Good job, buddy. I wanted to tame him, but you know, he tried to carry your butt off. That's the first time I see him do that. No wonder you guys turn invisible. I've never seen one try to grab one of you. He picked you right up. Yeah, we better get you inside here. Here, follow me. Come on. Hey, over here. Where are you at? Where'd you go? Well, that was different. Yeah. Alright, you stay here. That was something else. Wow. Alright. Let's see what's out here. But we're gonna need some more bolas, though. Where are my bolas? Better craft an extra bow, too, just in case. I must have passed them already. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? That's the cooking pot. Where's my bolas at? Are we way up here? I don't see the bolas. I keep thinking the cooking pot's bolas. Fishing rod. Where the heck are the bolas? Jeez. Alright, what do we need? Of course, stone. We always need freaking stone. Jeez. Are there any rocks here? Or am I going to be stretching looking for those? I only want a pig. What level are you? Because I got enough. You're a 140 and I got no bolas. All I need is one. This could turn out to be a good day. We could get that bird. Alright, I ain't even messing with this. Trying to find it in there. Might as well craft all 4. I'll take a bird instead of a pig. For now. Where'd he go? Where are you? I mean, he's a 140. Oh, come on. I didn't hear you fly off. You're around somewhere. I should have kept my eye on you. That's him up there, I think. We'll just make sure. Yep, that's a you. I got plenty of arrows for you. I'm gonna put them in quick. One head. There you go. Alright. We don't need the raft to tame one of you guys. Now you probably are going to take a while, so I'm going to let you starve up some. I don't have anything over here that's prime meat. We do have some more narcotic, and I got plenty of berries to make more, and I even got some rotten meat, so hopefully nothing's going to attack him for a minute. We'll let him starve up here. There's nothing for prime meat, though. Let's see here. Well, that was a quick change in plan. He's going to be asleep for a while. Make sure we got enough narcotic, and we'll make sure that we make more. Well, that could be a good thing to have a bird. Of course, we did use some of our chitin for cementing paste. We got some carrot in here. 27 and 36. I think we need 75 altogether for a saddle. But that's okay. We're not in a big hurry yet. If I have to, I'll use meat, just regular meat, to tame him. Just so I don't lose him. Look at that. We got prime right here. I forgot babies give you prime. That's if you can hit him. 5 prime. Oh, you're gonna attack me? I'm sorry, was that your baby? Hey, I need the prime, buddy. Get out of here. 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 We'll have enough prime just from these babies. Man, I can't hit him though unless I squat. I hear more. There you go. You're gonna tame up my bird just fine. Okay, I still got Klepto out here. How many babies are around here, huh? Any more? There you go, there's one. Hope we're gonna have a million dodos mad at me, but get out of here. You can be mad, I don't care. I need that prime meat. Alright. That worked out well. And babies are a great source of prime meat. So before that expires, we're going to fill him up with that. You don't need my bow there. Let's just keep our eye on him. He's taming now. I should have used my pickaxe. I might have gotten more prime. You see any more babies around? Get out of the way. Well, that worked out well. I don't see any more, and I still don't see a pig. You got any babies? Or is it just you all by your lonesome? How about you? Got any babies? No? That's okay. As long as that bird don't wake up, that's all I'm worried about. I don't see anything over here. I better be careful, I don't know what's over here yet. You know, it doesn't have to be a dodo baby, right? We have poop. Still, I don't know where all the carnivores are, but we're having a pretty easy time. Alright, well, we don't want to get too far away from him. And we definitely don't want to get hurt. I haven't even put my bed down yet. I mean, no, we have a bed, right? I better make sure now that we're away from everything. I forget. Yeah, we put a bed in one of the first things, so yeah, okay. Getting forgetful in my old age. Alright, well, if I can find another baby and we need more prime, I'm sure there'll be something running around here on the beach if I run around. It'd be nice to have a listosaurus. Usually they have babies, I don't see any. That'll probably give me just enough prime to finish him off. But I'll take another dodo or two, I don't care. This is the end of the line over here. Okay. Yep, I don't see any babies. So, I'll just make sure he stays narcoed up, and when he's ready to eat, he's ready to eat. I think we got enough prime meat in him. I'm just gonna make sure that he stays unconscious. I'll just give him some more of the narcotic here. Keep him nice and comfy and asleep, and when he starts eating, hopefully he'll tame up fast. I need more prime meat, though. I need another baby walking around is what I need. Yeah, your unconsciousness is going up. I guess we'll take another shot at looking for a baby. There's not really anything around that I gotta worry about hitting him. I'm not even putting spike walls up because I haven't really seen anything threatening. Man, the dodos are everywhere. I think I got all the babies though. Unless I chance coming up here. I don't know what's up here. Ah, he started eating. We need some babies. I don't know how much prime meat he ate, but it made him tame up pretty quick. He's probably down to the regular meat. Come on, give me another baby. You got any? You got babies? Here, we'll check. Sometimes they come out once you take care of the parent here. Man, I'm really tired of squatting to get these dodos. Alright. Sometimes they just come out of the woodwork and you didn't even know they have one. I don't see any. Okay. We did come out for a pig. You see how plans change? You don't have no babies. I don't see one following you. I see poop though. I hear more dodos, that's for sure. There's another bird over there. I don't have any. I think is my fish still good anyway? Yeah, it is actually. Oh yeah, see, my game's just, I'm gonna have to slow down. It's just not running right. I'm plugged in and everything. We got, make sure we're on turbo. Yeah. Your baby's on this side, over here. It would be great if you had one. You either? I don't see anything. One of these like those. You gotta have a baby. You guys are all grown up. Oh well, we're gonna. At least we had a good start. Should we try and get this bird? He's way over here in the freaking weeds. I got a club for you. Come up here where I can get you. Up. Now, you. I do have you. That's twice. Why can't I? You know what's gonna happen if I shoot you, right? Will you drop? Really? There you go. How the hell am I gonna tame you up there? Man. Thank. Alright. You're just done. Holy crap. What is it with the flying up in the air? These things are untamable almost nowadays. Ay. That's ridiculous. You bola them and now they can fly with the bola on and then they're up there and then when they pass out they don't fall to the ground, they hover. What the hell? Well, sooner or later, I'm hoping we luck out with one of them birds and he's on the ground. I'm just gonna give up on that for now. Don't you have a baby? Did you eat all the prime? Do you have any left? Oh, there's plenty left. Okay, I'm not even gonna worry about it. If he ate the first time and he got that much tame, then we got plenty of prime left. But it's starting to go out. You better eat it quick because, look, we're running out. That timer's running out, buddy. Come on, you need to eat again. And another damn bird. The only thing I really got to worry about is these birds, and they're not cooperating at all. What the heck are you doing in the water over there? Did a shark get you or something? Why are you having such a hard time there? What is that about? I don't know if he's bathing or what he's doing. Guys, get out of the water. I thought you were coming right at me. What is he? Now they learned how to swim underwater, or has he got a shark? He's actually getting fish, I guess. That's a new animation. Come over this way. Why are you dipping down like that instead of head first? I don't get it. I'm waiting for him to come in. That's why whoa, that's a big. Now we know. That's a big shark. Holy crow. I mean, he's big. Look at him. Let's get a look. Yeah. No wonder he couldn't get that bird couldn't. I'm not gonna stick around for that. That's why he was acting that way. He was getting eaten. There's two of them. Oy. Okay, we gotta get this bird tamed up. Come on. What is your issue? Our prime meat's spoiling by now. Yeah, some of it's gonna be going. We got 99% effectiveness too. It's gonna take him a while before he eats again though. At least we're in a place where there's not a lot of predators. I mean, we can keep him asleep. I'm just worried about the prime expiring before he eats again, you know? I mean, we got meat everywhere, but I don't think we have any more babies on the island. On this part, anyway. If he eats again, that would be awesome. Before it's all gone and it spoils. It's just gonna take longer. We really need a baby. How about you? No? I don't think we have any more, but I got nothing else to do but check while we're waiting, so somebody might drop a baby that's new, I don't know. I'm not killing you guys so you can breed again. I don't know how long that takes. It's just a matter of the prime expiring, that's all I'm really worried about. I mean, we're going to get this bird tamed up either way, but I don't want to sit here for hours and hours when they're that high level. These pteranodons take forever to tame up. And you see how quick when they do eat and you're feeding them prime. I don't have any kibble made yet. But I think they prefer prime meat over that anyway. And those sharks were huge. I'm glad I wasn't just swimming around that close. They're in close. Hey, what are you doing? I'm bored. Give me your hide. Make me no more babies. Come on, bird. I'm about to give him more narcotic. I wonder if I gave him more and get the eating process going, or is it gonna just make him? Oh man, oh, what did I just do? I gave him the prime. Now he's not gonna eat again. Oh, for a while. Now I really need prime. Damn it. Oh, that just ticks me off. He's got 39 in there. 2 more pieces of prime because I fed him it because it went down so quick. Stupid, I should have just tapped it in him. I'm starting to get warm. You know what? Little tip, if you start getting too warm, your cloth clothing will keep you a lot cooler than the leather. So craft up some of that. And if you don't have cloth, you know, I'm not wearing leather at the moment, though I do have the cloth on. But if I start getting too hot, I will take a dip. And the way you do that, but you gotta watch with these sharks. I'd go up in the water till I'm about neck high. Alright, see now I'm not hot anymore. I'm not even that high. I don't want to get too deep though. But I go into the water about like this deep and just hang out. And you can get rid of the heat wave that way if you can wait it out. Make sure that, you know, you have cloth armor on, and that's a good way to get your temperature to come down when you're overheating. I mean, cloth armor is the best for that. Ghillie's the best, actually, I would think. But if you don't have a ghillie suit, you can always put your cloth armor on and you can just hang out in the water like that. About neck level. If you sit there for a little bit, it'll bring it down to the point where you can let the heat wave pass anyway. This guy's gonna take a while. Well, what can we do at the base for now? He's gonna be unconscious for a while. We still need a pig. What happened to our wall? And this one? And our ceiling? Oh man, this game, I tell ya. I'm gonna reload this. This is ridiculous. I don't know what's going on, but this game is definitely it's tweaking on me. See the problems you have when you're trying to make a video, you're trying to do a series, you can run into stuff like this. And I have no idea what's going on, but even in single player, it's just not cooperating today. Let's see if I let this sit for a minute, let everything catch up. I got plenty of memory, I got a good computer, I don't know what is going on. It's gotta be this friggin' mod for the Excellent Adventure. Well, since they put that in, that's when I started having the problems. So hopefully that'll be over soon. And actually it's gone because I don't have I don't see Easter eggs around anymore. At least my raft's back. See? So I don't know what's going on with that. Alright. Let's make sure we got everybody. We got you. Where's the other one? We got the one on my shoulder. There's 3. Where's the third one? He's in there. It's just dark. There he is. 1. What? You know what? I can't see a damn thing. I'm going back to Gamma 4. I'm getting rid of the fog, too. I think they overdid this game with a lot of this stuff. Gives it more complications. Man, we got another poop. I won't need a pig. I'm collecting poop as we go. Now, right here. Are you out here? No, you're not. So where are you? I saw you. There's Klepto. Where are you? Are you under the boat? Yeah, you are. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? You know, I tell you, I'll pick you up. Come on, Klepto. Follow me. These guys phase through the raft and everything else. You don't act right. No more following. You stay here. At least Klepto does what he's supposed to. Yeah, okay. Let's go check on our bird. Why don't I see your taming thing anymore on? This guy's just hanging around. He ate his prime. Man, I wish I had more prime. That would be so lovely. That's how I should have put it in. I'm gonna make sure you stay asleep. I'm taking no chances on a high-level bird like you. 140, he's not a 150, but he will do. But he's gonna be a while. Right now he's at about 62%. No predators to bother him. Well, we always need more stone while we're here. We might as well get some, huh? Might as well collect some resources. It's gonna be a little bit for that bird. And we still don't have a pig. I still want to know why these guys turn invisible when they're on your shoulder, too. That's, I don't know if the game's glitching or if they're actually doing that. That's a new thing. You know, for such a fun game and so many things you can do in Ark, it's also just as annoying half the time. Oh, we got a trilobite over there. We're gonna need more chitin for a saddle. It must know we're taming up a bird. That's a plus. I'm surprised I can hit him. Oh yeah, that's enough for a saddle with what we got already. There's another 53. We can do that. We can go craft his saddle. Make sure we have all the chitin and everything that we need. You too. Ooh, look at the poops. Yeah, we got lots of poopies. Got one there. As long as it doesn't expire. Before we get back, you guys are leaving more. That's a huge poop for you guys. Jeez. Alright, let's see. Between this and what we have, we should have enough for a saddle. Nice. So that'll be all ready. Okay, we can put all this stuff back. Whoops. What the heck? Don't want you. Don't want you. We can put the pearls back. Oil. Cementing paste. Metal. Eggs. Hide. Wood. Look at all this. Freaking moss chops gives me more fiber than I need. And I just gotta store this stuff. See how much the smithy holds, though? That's a good thing. Alright, let's... We're collecting some poop, too. And we can put the rotten meat back in the pestle. Make sure we keep our drugs going here. Our narcotics. Okay, we can level up, we'll try crafting skill, I don't know. I mean, we're doing pretty good with speed and everything else. Stamina, food, water, they're all leveled up enough that we don't have any issues. Which is a first. If I could stop the game from tweaking on me, that would be nice. I don't see any more babies anywhere. Nobody's having any new ones. Okay. Still at 62%. Eating again, come on. Got plenty of meat. 83%. That's good. Another 20% and you'll be up. Next bite or two. Well, I said we were gonna harvest while we were here, so... It's dodo time. Might as well clear this part of the beach off. And collect this hide while we're here. There's plenty of stuff walking around to keep us occupied. Is there one over there? Guess not. Okay. I heard another poop. That was me. It was me or him. I wasn't looking. Are you kidding me? Look at you. I'm not complaining. At least good things are happening. Well, besides that. I'll use my pick. I don't care. I already got the saddle. I'm gonna need another hatchet. Oh, and another spear. I'll take you down with the pick. I don't care. Come here, you. I put everything in a smithy already. Meat is meat. What do we got here? I'll be clubbing them soon if I don't go get some resources. Okay, yeah, I don't have enough for that. We need wooden thatch. I'm gonna have to go inside for a minute. That's okay. Like I said, nothing better to do. What are we gonna need here? We need wood. Thatch. I don't need that many spears, but we'll give ourselves 6. So we'll let that stuff craft up. Hey, where's the hatchet? There we go. I did have another pickaxe in there, but it's okay. And we got spears back. This guy will be up soon. We can still go around getting our meat. Sorry, it's not the most exciting episode, but we did get a bird. And we'll continue on and look for our pigs then. And his saddle's made, so there's no drama there. He's a good high level. We didn't get the 99% taming efficiency because we ran out of prime meat. Well, actually, taming effectiveness is 99.8. He's going to be plus 69, so that's still pretty good. Okay, we'll go down the other end. Give him more time to take a couple less bites. And if there's no more animals, we'll just collect resources. And we're picking up chitin while we're here too, which is always a good thing. We got plenty of things to slaughter over here. Here's one. Okay. We got you two. And drow. What else is up here? Plenty. Hey, you're a little tougher. You're still running. You're a higher level. Okay. At least these guys don't attack you when you attack one of their own. They just run. They go, oh shit. I'm next. You're right. Come here, you. Give me your hide. And your meat. Is that everybody? I don't want to miss anybody, you know. I don't want them to feel left out. I think that's it for this end of this little stretch. Oh no, we got a loner. Hey, look at you. You're suicidal. You're just walking right at me. Were you trying to attack me? Is that what you were doing? You're rushing at me pretty fast, thinking you're gonna redeem your buddies. And none of yous had babies, though, because I already took care of them. Okay. Another dodo. Yeah, I guess the Easter thing is done for this mod. Maybe they're switching it back over, and that's why I'm having such problems. I don't know. I'll get some wood while we're here. Can never have enough stone or enough wood. Or enough anything, really. You always need something in this game. So whatever you're picking up, it's not like you won't use it. I'll switch to thatch here. It's real nice. There's no predators around yet. So far in this whole series, we haven't really been bothered much at all. A couple of Dilophosaurs. Or a turtle I hit by accident or something, but nothing really chasing us down except them stupid birds. And those things, we just can't seem to keep them on the ground. If we want to tame one, you blow them, they fly up in the air, and everything else. I think you'd have to club them unconscious. You hit them with a dart or an arrow, it just kills them. Gonna have to figure out the secret to getting those. Because it used to be simple. You shoot it with an arrow or a dart, you knock it out, you feed it some fish, you got yourself a tame. Now it's a little more difficult than that. So I don't know how to change my strategy on that. Okay. I better give this guy some more narcotic because I don't want all of this for nothing, and I'll just get preoccupied. Next thing I know, he's going to get up and fly away. Especially when he's so close to being finished. That would be bad. Okay. At least we got plenty of that. I hear another one, but don't even think about it. These things take too long. I just need one, and we'll take real good care of him. And we'll spoil him, and hug him, and love him, and we won't need another one. We'll level him up nice and high. Hopefully. You know, another thing they need to fix in this game is they need to stop when you're driving around with a raft and the stuff just meshes right through. When you pass over rocks, you lose your tames if they're in the raft with you, and they just end up on a rock in the middle of the friggin' ocean somewhere. That stuff's ridiculous. I'd like to see them fix that too. It causes more drama than not. Come on, buddy. How's your taming efficiency yet? Still 99.8%, which is not bad. And eat again. If you could take 20 more %, you'll be up. I got a saddle waiting for you. What are you anyway? You're a male. So we're gonna have to give you a name. You're a single player, so you're gonna just be a personable bird. You're not gonna be Warbird for this one or anything like that. We'll call you Willie. You'll be Willie. Wake up, Willie. Come on. I wanna get going. You know, we need pigs. You just... There you go. You must have heard me. Nice. Ended up with a 209 right from the start. That's a good thing. Could have been better. Wasn't the perfect tame, but wasn't a bad one either. Let's give you your saddle, buddy. And we're gonna level your weight up right away. Your weight right away is at 214. I would definitely have to dump some stuff. Give me my narcotic back, though. You can keep the rest for, you know, for me knocking you out and giving you a nap there. Alright. Well, let's let him follow us over here. Okay. You're still... Now, are you even gonna land? You can't land here? What? There you go. Alright. I want you to stay there for a minute. And I definitely don't want you going crazy on attacking anything at the moment either. Let me dump some of this weight. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Flint, thatch, fiber. Hide. That's pretty much bare bones. And our weight now is down to 118. We could take him out for a test ride. We'll go for a ride, Klepto? Might as well, huh? We can scope for a minute. We'll scope out just for a second, see if we can see any pigs somewhere. Check out your stamina and stuff. See what we got over here. We got Dilophosaurs, and the game's starting to tweak on me again. Is there anywhere that I can see a pig that I can drive the raft over? You know what? I lost my bearings for a minute. Now I gotta find that raft. He's so fast. I'm buzzing around. It's alright, I can always just pinpoint on the Pegomastus. Yeah, over here's the swamp. Now we definitely got some animals over here, but can we get the raft over here? Why is the island so quiet? Oh well, let's get back over to the raft. And we'll come around the corner here. I don't think we can get it in there with those rocks. And more of them birds. I don't really think we're gonna find pigs at the moment. You know what's nice about this type of boat is I can park the bigger animals out here and the little ones we can keep in here. Well, that right there is good. I think we're pretty much done with this episode. We got ourselves a nice bird. We got more resources, and we still need to find a pig so we can grow our kibble. So I will see everyone in the next one, and we'll continue from there along our journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye now.